Hi guys, it's Rachel at WTI and I want to show you guys this amazing set of earrings that I have. So I like silver. This is a really nice sterling silver hoop earring. It's got a really beautiful clasp on it, like very well made. Some clasps I find are very hard to be able to clip your earrings on and you feel like they're going to break anytime you touch them. These are so well made. The thickness on them as well is really good for the silver. I have a really hard time too wearing different materials or minerals in my ear. So gold I have to watch, silver I have to watch. These I have no problem with at all. They are sterling silver. It's got the 925 right on the clasp, which is great. This also, they come in different flower patterns, so you can choose what you like. I got the Lotus because it has a greenish blue background. I love green, but the Lotus Flower is very pretty as well. So the design on this was so cute. I love the fact that it looked antique-ish. I love that I can wear this with anything as well. I don't feel like these are gonna fall out of my ears when I'm changing or going out or putting a coat on or taking my coat off. I don't feel like I'm gonna lose them, which is a bonus, but that's just my point of view.